Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about headshave for girls. Let's start the video. Maintaining a headshave head is pretty straightforward. Here are some tips for you. First of all, moisturize. Since your scalp is exposed, it's essential to keep it moisturized to prevent dryness and irritation. You can use a gentle moisturizer or natural oils like coconut or jojoba oil. Sun protection. Protect your scalp from the sun by wearing hats or applying sunscreen to prevent sunburn. Third one is regular trims. If you want to maintain a clean look, regular trims can help keep your shaved head looking neat. Fourth one is scalp care. Treat your scalp kindly by washing it regularly with a gentle shampoo and conditioner to keep it healthy. Confidence. Rock your shaved head with confidence. It's all about owning your look and feeling good about it. Hope these tips help you out. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in a comment section. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.